Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I made this video for the new YouTubers just like me. So I decided to improve my channel a little bit. So it was time for me to do the banner, but I had like so much difficulty doing the banner, but I overcame it. So when I did try to do it in Safari, it was giving me a sign-in message, a sign-in error, and it wasn't sign-in wasn't going anywhere, so it wasn't budging. So I did that, tried it for a while. Then it occurred to me that maybe I should use Google Chrome, and when I used Google Chrome, this error went away. So googlesupport.com has instruction how to customize your channel banner. So those slides are in the beginning of the video, so you could read this or you could go to Google Support directly. So now the channel banner upload instructions were working. So then next step was for me to select a photo to upload, and then the next error that I got was the photo was too small. So there are specific directions for how big the photo should be. So now I didn't know how to enlarge my photos. So I researched a little bit and I found out that there's an app. There's an app called Image Size, and it's very easy and convenient to use, and there's a free app available for it. So I used that app. It gives you a choice to specify your pixels. So I specified the pixels. Now my photo was the right size, and on this app, choose your pixels and then push the picture icon. It's going to load the picture that you want, and once the picture is right size now, you could push share to an album, or you could even Gmail it to yourself. And once you Gmail it, then you can download it, and once you download it, you can upload it to YouTube. Now the picture is the right size and it got uploaded onto the YouTube channel banner, but still it wasn't fitting right. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the getting cropped on. So my next video is how to make your picture fit correctly into the rectangle of the banner.